Are there any of you here who don't know how to duplicate a page in Microsoft Word? If there are still those who don't know, the method is very easy. Watch this tutorial until the end to find out how. Before that, please subscribe to this channel to help us be more enthusiastic in making the next videos. Thank you. Let's continue, as we know that duplication is duplicating or imitating something that is exactly the same as the original. Now here we can duplicate a page in Microsoft Word, and we can also duplicate the file. To duplicate a Word page, determine the page first. Then select all parts of the page that we will later duplicate. After that, copy all parts of the page that we selected earlier. Then open a blank page or the place where the page will be pasted. Place the cursor where we will put the duplicate, then paste it. Now the page has a duplicate. How easy, right? That's how to duplicate a page in Microsoft Word. Hopefully this tutorial will be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.